Hey everyone, it's Aaron from ABR Creations. In our last tutorial, we learned how to make the single crochet stitch. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to make the double crochet. Let's get started. For your convenience, I have posted a link in the description which will redirect you to the previous tutorials which I have created in case you have missed them. Let's start. So to make the double crochet, first we need to make a slip knot. Okay. Like this. And we'll start off by chaining, let's say 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So we'll skip the first chain and we'll yarn over and insert our hook into the second chain from your hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops in total on your hook. Yarn over and pull it through only 2 loops. Okay, like so. Then yarn over and pull it through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. This is called a double crochet stitch. Continue in the remaining 4 stitches. Okay. One, 2, 3, and the last one, 4. By the end of this row, you should have 5 stitches. Turn our piece, and instead of chaining 1, we'll chain 2 because it is a double crochet stitch. Then we'll do one more row of just double crocheting. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, and last one. The last one can be a bit difficult, so take your time and don't mess it up. And 5. So once you're done, cut the yarn and chain 1 and pull it all the way through. Congratulations, you have now learned how to make the double crochet stitch.